Welcome back, everybody. I have a CVS haul. I found 75% off the Neutrogena retinol. Quite pricey, and it was a little over $9 for the one I purchased, and there was a $5 coupon on my app. So check it out. Check your stores. And then it's a 0.5 ounce. So check your stores and see what you have. But there is a new coupon that came out for $5. Let me know in the comments what you think of this deal. I think it was an amazing deal for the price. And, let me know in the comments. This is what I got. I got the $1.99 Arm & Hammer, but I didn't get the liquid. I got the beads. The Axe was a pickup order. Buy one, get one 50. There was a coupon. You earn a reward for getting it. Fruit roll-ups are $1.99 this week over there. Even at Walmart, they're not that cheap. And then I did the Lysol, and you get a $3 reward for purchasing them. I saved 88%, $60.34. And I do have a Walmart video coming out as well as Walgreens. Check it out. But let me know what you think of these deals. I probably will be going back doing a second haul, so watch out for that. Set your notifications. There's my receipt, and all the coupons came off. I used extra bucks that were expiring. But for those items here, it was a huge savings, and there are items that I need. Lysol I'll probably do again because it's on my husband's card, and I'm low on Lysol. So leave me a comment down below, and take care, guys.